Hi, in this video we're going to be looking at the last logarithm law, which says this: log to the base a of x to the power of k is equal to k lots of log to the base a of x. So let's look at an example to see how this works. Well, actually, we'll look at quite a few examples. Okay, so suppose you had here log to the base a of x squared. That's going to be 2 log to the base a of x. And let's look at another one that goes the other way round. So like this. Suppose you had 3 log to the base 2 of 4. That would be the same as log to the base 2 of 4 to the power of 3. And of course that simplifies to log to the base 2 of, well, 4 to the power of 3 is 64, so 64. Okay, that's an example right there. Let's look at a few more examples. Suppose we had this: log to the base 5 of x to the power 4. Okay, so have a think about what this would be. Okay, and now I'm about to have a go. So that's just going to be 4 log to the base 5 of x. Okay, let's look at another example. Let's take this one. Suppose you wanted to express in the form, we wanted to express this in the form k log to the base a of x. Okay, let's look at some examples. Suppose you have this logarithm: log to the base a of 1 over x. How will we get this in the form of k log to the base a of x? Well, that comes from using our laws of indices. So what that's going to be is this. That's going to be, first of all, the same as log to the base a of x to the power of minus 1. And now we can use our log law to say this. That's going to be minus 1 lots of log to the base a of x. Or like this, minus log to the base a of x. Let's take another example. Again, we want to express it in the form k log to the base a of x. So suppose instead we had log to the base a of the square root of x. So again, using our laws of indices, we can see that this is going to be log to the base a of x to the power of a half. And that's going to be, using our log law, a half log to the base a of x. Right, let's go through one more example. suppose you have this as an example. Let's take log to the base a of 1 over x cubed. Okay, so very quickly have a go, or pause the video and have a go. Okay, and using our log laws, again, we have that's the same thing as log to the base a of x to the power of minus 3, giving us that that's equal to minus 3 log to the base a of x. Okay, and that's it. In the next few videos, we'll be looking at how to combine this law and the addition law, or the multiplication law, sorry, and the division law to solve some slightly more complex problems. That's it for now.